Good morning to all of you, and welcome to today's function. Let me take this opportunity to welcome all of you to this very important function that we have every year, where we honor our students who have done exemplary work in their chosen field of activity, be it the NSS, be it the NCC, be it in sports, in academics, or the best overall student of Ahmednagar College. We, in fact, are very proud of our student community, and it is because of the student community we are what we are today. In fact, we have so much talent on campus and so many prizes on offer given by different members of the faculty and their families that we have slated a separate day, which this year is on the 12th of February, where we give prizes to the remarkable talent that our students possess among the many of them who are part of our community in Ahmednagar College. I would like to think that over the last 72 years, since when Ahmednagar College has been in existence, Ahmednagar College serves as a canvas, a blank canvas on which every student entering into the hallowed gates of Ahmednagar College can come and explore their talent, explore their area of interest, and go on to become leaders in their own field and become trailblazers that will help us to take our country even to greater heights than we are today. We are very honored this morning to have in our midst Bishop Thomas Dabre, who is the Bishop of the Diocese of Pune. Bishop Dabre will, of course, be introduced by Dr. Noel Parge soon. But suffice it to say that it has been a revelation for me to interact with him. In fact, we've been trying to get the Honorable Bishop to come to Ahmednagar College on several occasions. For various reasons, we have been missing it. There have been times when we have practically been able to pin him down and come for the function, but then he was called to go to Rome by the Pope and attend some important committees on which he is a very important member. We are honored to have him. I've been interacting with him over the last 45 minutes to an hour in my office, and all I can say is that I am fascinated by the way his thought process works. And as I was telling the bishop, I'm one of his latest fans. And in fact, like a true fan, I requested our staff to move aside and I took a photograph with him because that is the type of person that he is. And we are indeed honored, sir, to have you in our midst this morning. Before I wind up, I just want to congratulate our choir. For those of you who do not know, Bishop Dabre went to the Plymouth Chapel this morning, and our young choir sang some beautiful songs for us, very melodiously and very soulfully, as they did sing this welcome song. We are so proud of our students. You have such great talent, and you continue to enrich our lives on campus and in Ahmednagar College. God bless you, and a very big thank you to our two leaders who have made this possible, Madam Sujata Londe and Madam Gaikwad, who have taken all the trouble in getting our students together and making them practice. We have been having a lot of functions over the last 1 month, and they have been consistently keeping the students motivated enough to come and sing. So God bless you all. I welcome you all again to today's annual prize distribution function. I'm sure you will find the talk that is going to be given to us by our esteemed guest most enlightening and fascinating, as I have found him to be in my limited interaction that I have had with him over the last 45 minutes or 1 hour. Thank you so much, and God bless you.